Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto. This is the weekly update on Multivac, which is ticker MTV. We'll have a look at a few key levels of support and resistance and have a look where we could potentially place some orders, whether you're looking to buy or take profit. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. So welcome, this video is in partnership with Cointelegraph Markets Pro. If you are wanting to get one step ahead of the game, go and check their platform out. You'll find a link for that in the pinned comment and the description of this video. So Multivac Tether, this is a daily time frame. It is the Qcoin chart. Last time we did some price analysis on this was around 6 days ago, and we did reject from this here again. So we had 3 rejections above, well, should I say, from this level of resistance at 11 cent. We've actually managed to close above it now. So if you look at this Fibonacci, let's move it up a little bit, and this will give us a few more levels. This level I've got last time is pretty much similar area to where I'm still expecting the price to drop, to be honest. All is looking good, and we did manage to close above that area of resistance, flipped it support, but we're just straight back down below it now. So for me, this is a first major area. If you're looking to place some orders, I think 10 cent is a nice psychological area, and it's pretty much bang on that level of 382 Fibonacci. So I would look at placing some orders there, but I would ladder them down, and I would still ladder them down to this region here at 0.007. So that's 0.7 of a cent, and still that would tie nicely with a potential tap on that moving average 50, which I do look for. I mean, if you look in the past, we've always had these taps of this 50 all the way down. We did break above it, then we tapped on it here, and then we tapped on it here, and then we broke through. We have not come back down to test that moving average 50 yet, and for a healthy growth, I do still think we need to come down and test that area. Nothing against the project there, and that's on. It is slightly bearish that, but I'm still slightly bearish for the month of September. Only really going by history, and if you're just looking at BTC here, we're currently at 47 cent. This is where I see BTC going. Nothing major. Everyone's thinking, all right, Andy, you're too bearish here. Everything's going to die. I'm not like that. I just think that we may get a slight correction. I mean, you're talking a tap here and then a push up. So that, I mean, if you want to see make that sound like I'm adding FUD, take it with a pinch of salt, because it is healthy, and a tap at moving average there would be nice. I mean, if you look at that in terms of a percentage drop, it'd only be a 7% drop from there. So I think if we do get that, then I'll be happy enough to load up some more capital at this range, which is a nice area of support for Bitcoin as well. But wondering a little bit there from MTV. So back to MTV. That's the area where I think we could potentially load up. As you can see, money flow has just turned green, but it is only a tiny bit. It's looking like it's going to go back into a red there. So money flow is looking slightly bearish as well. If we do, though, close above this region here, and we defy history and we start pushing on, we will fly up to 1.8 cent very, very quick. And remember, this is new. We do not have much trading data above there. I mean, you have that past data there, but nothing like we are doing this all-time high. So once it does break above there, things are going to get tasty. I mean, if you're looking at in terms of percentage from that level of resistance now up to that level of resistance, it's only a 69% move. And that in cryptocurrency, especially for projects which is valued so little like this, things will really start to move. If you're looking for some profit to take, this is the first major region here. It ties in nicely with that wick there. So you're looking for an area to take profit. 1.3 cent is a decent level for you to first take profit. We then have a 0.015, so that's 1.5 cent, and then we have all-time highs at 1.8 cent. I think, in my opinion, this cycle, I'm not expecting mass like people thinking a dollar straight away. I don't think we'll get there. But I think you can start to look at around, depending on how this cycle goes, but you definitely can look at around 40 to 60 cent this cycle. And then, like I say, it is fairly new. So once this project does gain some traction and grabs the market, brings more people in, then you will start seeing them bigger predictions from me. But so far, 40 to 60 cent, considering we're only at 1 cent, I think is a massive prediction from where we currently are. Just taking a look at the Valkyrie indicator, see what's going on in terms of where the price is and what I think it's doing. So this is a 4-hour time frame. We actually had a buy signal down here, and we have hit a level of resistance here. We've not actually had any oversold, or should I say overbought. Usually you get overbought RSI signals, which do give you a signal that it's going to go down. and then you usually get oversold signals, which then tell you it's going to go up. We've not actually had an overbought signal yet, so I mean that just shows that on the RSI, especially on the 4-hour time frame, we still have some legs to go. We may potentially use this area of support here and then bounce to the upside, so just monitor that, and that's what could potentially happen. I'm surprised we didn't get a sell signal there, but it does show that there's still plenty of growth to get from this market here. So Valkyrie indicator looking okay. If you just look on the daily time frame, that's a 3-day daily, there we go. But actually, yeah, we had a sell signal there, and that's given us a good idea that the price was going to come down there. So that's showing us that we did get a good sell signal. Let's see if we can bounce, because we're pretty much close to this moving average here now, aren't we? So this moving average 50, it looks like we've tapped it. Let's see if we can get up. I know there's lines all over the place there, but if you want to check out that Valkyrie indicator, you'll find the link for a Discord in the description of this video. But going back, we'll take a look at BTC Pair, currently at 226 Satoshis. We'll just move this Fibonacci up because we did get a little bit of growth over the last few days. And if you're looking for buys, let's get rid of that area of resistance. If you're looking for buys, I would target around here, around 170 Satoshis. So a potential tap on this moving average 50 here, and then bang straight up. So that's a potential area where you could load up. So 170 Satoshis is that area where I would be potentially placing some orders on Multivac. So that's your buy zones. If you're looking to sell, this is the all-time high, is it? No, the all-time high was previously in the past. So if you look at that all-time high in terms of Satoshis, where have we been? Wow, we've been up to 2,429 Satoshis, which is crazy. So that does show you that we've got a lot of growth in terms of a BTC pair. So yeah, that's price analysis done for today. Really nothing much to talk about other than we've had a little breakout, but I'm still expecting a drop, to be honest. I think if we do get some orders filled down here, I'll be happy, because that's where I first bought my Multivac down here, around 7 cents. So if I can get to load up the same amount again and double my bags of that range, and I will be very, very happy. So let's see what goes on over the course of this month. Fingers crossed it doesn't turn out as bearish as I'm expecting, but you have to take the rough with a smooth, don't you? That's going to do it. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.